Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in my series of easy beading tutorials for my beginner beader friends, here is another edition, that is this easy pearl bracelet. You can see the look of this bracelet, this easy pearl bracelet. Here I have made this bracelet in pink color, and you can see the crystals that I have used here, which is giving a shine, a beautiful sheen to my bracelet. And in today's video we are going to make this bracelet in green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make our easy pearl bracelet. Friends, for making our easy pearl bracelet in sea green color, we are going to use these 6 mm pearls in sea green color. Then I'm using these rondelles. These are 3 by 4 mm rondelles, again in sea green color. I'm using these 11 These are Muki Duracoat Galvanized Champagne 11 I'll be working with Muki thread and size 12 beading needle. Here I'm going to use the pearl for my clasp, and I'll show you how you can use a pearl as a clasp. So I'm not using any lobster clasp or any other clasp, but if you want, you can use any clasp of your choice. So let's get started. Friends, for making our 7 inches long bracelet, here I'm using about 6 feet long thread. So let us start making our bracelet. So I'm picking up one 6 mm pearl and 8 11 champagne. So here I have picked up 6 mm pearl and 8 11 champagne, and I'm bringing these down towards the end of my thread and tying a double knot like this. Moving back into the pearl, stepping up into the first 4 11 champagne, picking up one 11 champagne, moving down to the next 4 11 champagne, like this, back into the pearl, up through all these 11 champagne, and here I'm exiting through the middle one that I added in the previous round. And now I'm going to add the pearl to make it as a clasp. So for this I'm picking up 3 11 champagne, one 6 mm pearl, and 1 11 champagne. So here I have picked up 3 11s, one 6 mm pearl and one 11 champagne, bringing all these down, skipping this 11 champagne, the last one, moving back into the pearl and the 3 11 champagne that we added, into the 11, this middle one, like this, down, through all the 4 11 champagne, like this. So we are going to use this pearl as our clasp. Let us just take one more pass through all these 11s just to reinforce. So I'm going back into all these 11s. up through these 11 rows, into this 11 row, down through the pearl, the 3 11 rows, into the 11 row, and down through all these 11 rows. So here we have added a pearl as a clasp into the 6 pearl, and now as I'm exiting through this 6 pearl, I'm going to pick up one 11 champagne, 4 rondelles, and one 11 champagne. So here I have picked up these 6 beads, one 11 4 rondelles, and one 11 back into the pearl like this. Now stepping up into the 11 and the first 3 rondelles. We have to keep our thread nice and tight here. Now here, after exiting through this third rondelle, I'm picking up 3 11 champagne, 1 6 pearl, and 3 11 champagne. So these are the 7 beads that I have picked up: 3 11 1 6 pearl, and 3 11 champagne back into the 2 rondelles, the center 2 rondelles, like this. Just keep your thread nice and tight here. Up through the 11 champagne, like this. Into the pearl. Again picking up one 11 4 rondelles, and one 11 These 6 beads, 1 11 4 rondelle, and 1 11 back into the 6 pearl, up to the 11 and the rondelles, first 3 rondelles, like this, picking up 3 11 champagne, 1 6 pearl, and 3 11 champagne, these 7 beads, back into the rondelles at the center, 2 rondelles at the center, like this, up into the 3 11s, into the 6 pearl, again picking up one 11 4 rondelles, and one 11 and into this 6 pearl, like this, stepping up into the rondelles, the 11 and the first 3 rondelles. So here you can see we have added 3 components in our bracelet. And for making a 7 inches long bracelet, we are going to add about 16 pearl component in our bracelet. So here I have added 1, 2, 3. I'll be adding 13 more and come back. Now here I have added 15 components. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And now after adding 15 components, here I have added 16th pearl, and now I'm stepping up into these 11 rows and into this 16th pearl. I have added 15 pearl and rondelle components, and the last one is the 16th pearl to which I'm going to attach my clasp. So here I'm picking up 8 11 seed beads, 4 and 4 8, and into the pearl, stepping up into the first 4 11 picking up 1 11 down through the next 4 11 into the pearl, just pull it tight, up into the 4 11 and into this 11 that we have added at the center. And now we are going to add the loop for our pearl clasp. So I'm picking up 14 11 So here I have picked up 14 11 4 4 8 and 3 11 and 3 14 into the 11 stepping up into first 3 11 picking up 1 11 and into the next 4 11 again picking up 1 11 into the next 4 11 picking up one more 11 and down through the last 3 11 just pull it tight like this, skipping the one at the bottom into the first 3 11 into this 11 that we added into the next set of 11 Now we are going to pass through all these 11 like this. Here I'm going to take about 4 to 5 passes through all these 11 just to reinforce and make my loop stronger so that it doesn't get break up when we close it by passing our pearl through it. So this is the third pass through all these 11 Now I'm passing through this 11 at the bottom and This will be my last pass, the fourth one. Since we have added 11 rows, so we can take about 4 to 5 passes. If you find it difficult to pass through 4 or 5 beads at a time, you can just pass through 2 or 3 in one go, like this. And down through this 11 row, these 11 rows, and here, before passing through the pearl, I'm just going to tie a knot, a double knot here, into the 6 mm pearl. Again, tying a knot here on this side of the pearl, up through the 11 rows, down through these 11 rows, like this. And now we can cut our thread off, and from here I'm cutting this tail off, and here we have completed our bracelet, easy pearl bracelet, and you can close it. This is our pearl, just push it in, and here is the final look of our bracelet. You can see how easy it is and how gorgeous it looks. So here is the look of our bracelet on the wrist. You can see the look. Even the clasp is adding to its beauty. You can see this. So this is our easy pearl bracelet in sea green color. So friends, here is our easy pearl bracelet in two different colors. The one that I had shown you in the beginning of the video, this is pink color, and the one that we made in the video, the sea green color. I hope you would love both the colors and you will definitely enjoy making this super easy pearl bracelet. And as Christmas is around the corner, I am sure you are going to gift it to your friends and family. So friends, if you like my designs and my tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next videos. Thank you and Namaste.